I have something so great to show you. This is an Eggy Robot teacher. Let's see how it works. These are the instructions. We will put it on the side for now. And my Eggy Robot teacher. We're gonna do drawing and letters. So let's get started now, and I got it ready on my table. So we're gonna do it now. I'm so excited.
Nice to meet you.
Wow,
Let's try
Eggy
something.
speaks. So we're gonna get one of these cards and put it on Eggy's one eye.
Hello and welcome to the drawing. Today we're going to draw what I call the tree mouth monster. So get your paper and pencils and pens out and let's begin the drawing. Start with a circle like this. For the lip, on top, make a line that goes up and over and up and down, just like this. For the lower lip, make a line that goes down and then back up again. It kind of looks like a letter U.
You.
I want to add some teeth, so make some triangles inside the mouth, and they can be kind of curved like this. So make some sharp teeth.
Today, Eggy takes you to draw a cute little bee with numbers.
Yeah.
Make sure the circle is as round as possible.
Wow, look at that. Circle and
Then draw the eyes with one eye round opened, and the other is narrow.
let's go with that one.
Here is an open mouth also.
Open. And I know how to do this.
Next, we draw the body of the bee. Add some yellow lines on the body.
There we go. Done.
Do you know? The bee's tentacles can feel the size and the speed of the wind. Isn't that amazing?
Thank you, Eggy, for teaching me. I'm gonna check my bee out.
A long town, which helps me pull down leaves growing way up high. Thanks to my height, I have an exclusive access to the topmost leaves of the trees.
I'm counting.
I have a caterpillar. He has a round head and a smiley face. Do you know how many body segments he has? Show me the number and let's count.
Okay. 6, 7.
Do you know how many bodies do I have now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, it is number 6.
Eggy's my new best friend ever. Eggy can help me learn my numbers. Ooh, and my letters. And even my letters. Eggy can draw cute little monsters. It's a thumbs up for Harleigh Bear. Thanks for watching. Bye.